Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a very fun DIY because I am going to make home decor out of embroidery hoops. So for both of them I'm just going to keep them very natural and I think a little bit boho style. So I'm now going to start with the first one. So for the first DIY I am going to use this very big hoop. And I am not going to use the outer part but only the inner circle. And my idea is to use this bamboo stick. And then I'm going to make, I think, 3 rows, like 1, 2, 3. And on these bamboo sticks I am going to use some wood slices. So I'm going to use 4 wood slices, because I want to put some fake candles on the wood slices, and I am going to glue that down with maybe my very strong glue or my hot glue gun. I don't know which one is the better choice, so I just have to figure it out and just start. For the second DIY I'm going to use a smaller embroidery hoop, and what I am going to do, I found this at a thrift store for 50 euro cents, and I am going to use this as a base, and then this will come on top of it and the middle part will go like this, so they will intertwine, something like this, and this will come on top of the base here, and then I have some little lights that I'm going to wrap around the hoops. Got some fake leaves, and again, my 2 choices of glue. thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you liked this DIY embroidery hoops. And if you liked it, please push the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. So for this first home decor DIY with this hoop, now for the second DIY I'm going to use the smaller embroidery hoop. Now I found this